here from Group 5. My name is Denandana Zaharnisa, student number 15.
My name is Turun Maimunah, student number 54.
My name is Maria Tuaisir, student number 42.
My name is Awasamina, student number 65.
Today we will give you a tutorial how to make Jamu Jaman now. Let's get started!
Let's see the tools are used in this tutorial. In this tutorial, you will need stainless steel pan, skills, filter, stove, knife, basin, aeros or ladle, spoon, plastic or glass barrel, labels, and also refrigerator for storage and marketing. In this tutorial, you will need several materials, which are: first one, turmeric rhizome, temulawak rhizome, tamarind, palm sugar, salt, and also water. Now, let's see the steps. First thing first, pour 1.5 liter water into measuring glass. After that, boil that water that was measured earlier. While waiting for the water to boil, add the brown sugar to dissolve. The brown sugar will start to melt. Stir the brown sugar so it starts to dissolve faster. While waiting for the water to boil, peel the turmeric and also the temulawak. Tiny slice of turmeric. After finish, collect it on a plate or in one place. Then you also need to slice the temulawak. After done, also collect it in a plate or in some place. Add the chopped tamarind and also turmeric into the boiling water. Don't forget, also add the sliced temulawak. Stir and wait until it cooks. Don't forget to cover the pan to speed up the boiling and also the cooking process. After it boiled, stir the jamu with a filter. After that, pour the jamu into measuring cup and then cool it down. After the jamu is cooled down, put it into a bottle which has been labeled with the product packaging. Now the Jamu Jaman product by Group 5 is ready to be consumption. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for watching. Bye!